So, hello everyone, welcome to our another talk show. My name is Namita, and today we have one of our race candidate, Abhishek Basim. So, hi Abhishek, how are you?
Hi Namita, I'm good, thank you. How about you? How are you?
I'm also good. So, let me tell you guys, Abhishek is from non-IT background. Now he's working in a good company on very good package. And first of all, Abhishek, we want to know about your experience. How's your experience with Edge Networks?
I must say that in back 2015, I was struggling with my career, and I was looking for jobs, but I'm not getting some better opportunities. Then one of my friend recommended me to join the networking field, and he suggested me to get in touch with the NG network. Then I joined their program, CCNP, and they really helped me as Namita, you know that I'm from the BCom background, and it was very difficult for me to understand networking. But the faculty and the Nitin sir that really helped me to understand and put confidence in me, so that I will able to achieve what I was looking uh, in, in my career. So that was a really nice experience, and now it's been 5 years, and I'm working in the very prestigious organization, and they help me. Like first uh, they placed me in HCL. Then after 3 years, I again get in touch with them, and they help me to switch my job to another company. So that was really helpful, and I must say that it was a wonderful experience with the NG network and with the Nitin sir, because he really guide you and really help you to achieve your goals.
Okay. So the next question is, as you're from non-IT background, so did you face any kind of issues to switch in the networking or in IT?
Let me tell you, as I'm from non-IT background, so in starting days it was very difficult for me to understand. But when the time passed, I attend the classes, then the real time classes, and and Nitin sir also really helped me, and they put so much confidence in each and every student, so they feel comfortable, and faculty is really good. Real time classes, clear all my doubts, and I after that I never felt that I'm not from the non-IT background.
Okay. So Abhishek, can you please explain the candidates that what is real-time training exactly? How it helps you to survive in the company?
See, whatever you learn in your early days, and whatever you learn, or you hard work on the devices which are already in NG network, more you practice, it will be easy for you to survive in company, because in NG network they give you each and everything, like from 0 to 10. They will uh, they will teach you, and they will make you expert in each and every field. If I talk about the switches or routers or firewalls, they have their lab set up in their institute. So it's all about it depends on student, how it takes, and how they want to learn, and how they want to achieve their goals. They if you practice more on those devices which are already in place there, and if you ask question when you are in when you are studying there, So I don't think so that you will get much difficulty in companies, because they trained you in each and every field. If I talk about whatever the tools used in the company, ServiceNow, Remedy, they give you all the trainings on all the tools. So if student really go through the process and do practice more and more, so they will not face any kind of difficulty in companies.
Okay, so my last question is, Abhishek, how's your experience after getting placement? Like you are working as a network engineer now. So are you facing any kind of problems or any issues in the companies now?
Namita, first of all, I want to tell you that I joined as a network engineer. Then Nitin sir guided me and told me to switch to the to security field. Then now I am working on the firewalls, cloud firewalls, Azure. So just because of him, and I switched the line, and today where I'm very happy, and I'm really thankful to him, and I'm not facing any kind of difficulty. Whenever I face, I directly contact to Nitin sir, so he guide me, and he suggests me, and he always tell me that this is the new thing in the market, so you should also learn this new devices, so that it can help you in future to get much better package in your company. So through his guidelines, I'm always in touch with him. So whenever I face the difficulty, or whatever the devices or whatever the courses I want to learn more, so uh, get it. I always ask him, and he basically uh, give me the good guidance, and that's why I'm in the security field now.
Okay, Abhishek, thank you. Thank you very much for your valuable time.
Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you.
To you. And if you need any kind of assistance or any guidance, so yes, you can connect with us, with Nitin or with the team.
Sure, I will. As you know that I'm in touch with each and every employee. Like I'm also in touch with you, Nitin sir, and Rahul. Everyone, I'm in touch with everyone. So whenever I feel that, I directly come to the institute and get in touch with you guys.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, Abhishek. Bye bye.
Welcome. Bye bye. Take care.